Hi everyone, welcome back to another video, and we are still here in Boracay and we are just having our breakfast. We have here a corned beef and scrambled egg. Medyo naubos ko na siya bago ko na videohan. We're going to the beach. The beach is right there in front of our hotel. Perfect. And we are just heading out to the beach area. Magmo-morning dip muna kami ni Mother. And this is like around 9 in the morning. And as you can see, napakaganda ng tubig talaga ng Boracay. And you will surely come back here. By the way, this is my second time here in Boracay. And ayan si Mother, nagpunta na siya sa beach area. And ako, nag-video muna ako sa kanya. And after niya mag-swimming, ako naman kasi para may magbantay ng mga gamit namin. Napakaganda talaga ng tubig sa Boracay. Ang linaw, malinis, as you can see naman here in the video. So ayan si Mother, she's enjoying na the beach here in Boracay.